Vitur Beast Glasses Honest Review. So, Beast is a bold name, and Vitur's The Beast display glasses promise that one of the biggest fields of view, which is 58 degrees, and high brightness 1250 nits, and immersive visuals to rival headsets. So, early hands on from Tom's Guide confirmed that the display clarity is jaw dropping. The 1200p resolution across the full FOV is very impressive. But let's break down that what's worked and what didn't and what you need to know before you hit the pre-order button. So, let's start from the good ones. The display is among the sharpest you will see in AR glasses, with strong color and clarity. The brightness is a standout. At 1250 nits in prototype showings, it outshines many AR or VR rivals. Viture is pushing innovation, new models, higher specs, and bold designs. But there are some serious caveats. The optics looks block around 80% of real-world light, meaning it's not a casual wearable when you want to see your surroundings. Device compatibility and tracking remain concerns. Some users report that dimming and performance relies heavily on how well the companion software works with your phone or PC. There's minimal feedback on long-term durability, battery life, heat, or usability in diverse lighting, all areas where early AR glasses often fail. So, the pros of this product is that it has a real display quality, strong brightness, bold specs that outlast many competitors. The cons is that it has poor ambient visibility, tracking and compatibility risk, and unknown longevity. So, for final verdict, if you want bleeding edge visuals and you are okay dealing with bugs or limitations, the Beast is arguably one of the most ambitious AR glasses in 2025. But for everyday wear or robust use, you can wait to see real reviews from long-term users before you pre-order. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.